of mine. What can I say? I've known them for a long, long time, and they might overstep the line, but you just cannot get angry in the same way.